Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Mango Chimanki Be, how are you? Good. Nice to see you. Honourable members, we continue with questions. We now go to question 143 to Ministry of Health and Sanitation, coming from Lilongwe Chiwamba. Lilongwe Chiwamba, are you in there? Yes. You have the floor.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, sir, for allowing Lilongwe Chiwamba to confirm the question number 143. I'm hereby to confirm this question is coming from the people of Lilongwe Chiwamba. Thank you.
Thank you, Lilongwe Chiwamba. Minister of Health and Sanitation.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. And through you, let me thank the honorable member for Lilongwe Chiwamba constituency. His question is to ask the Minister of Health and Sanitation whether government will consider constructing Lilongwe District Hospital and Blantyre District Hospital. At present, this district rely mainly on referral hospitals, namely Kamuzu Central Hospital and Queen Elizabeth Hospital, which are already overwhelmed with patients. Mr. Speaker, sir, my ministry is fully aware the pressure that Kamuzu Central Hospital and Queen Elizabeth Central Hospital are currently facing, and as a result of not having no standalone district hospitals in Lilongwe and in Blantyre. Mr. Speaker, sir, I wish to inform this August House that government has already secured financing amounting to $27 million from Kuwait Fund for Arab Economic Development for construction of Blantyre District Hospital. In addition, government has made a budgetary allocation for this project in the 2026-2027 financial year, demonstrating its commitment to ensuring that the project is implemented. Mr. Speaker, sir, in addition to that, under the Health Sector Strategic Plan 3, my ministry is also implementing a key reform to upgrade selected health centers within the cities of Lilongwe and Blantyre into urban community hospitals. This reform is aimed at strengthening primary and secondary level care, reducing unnecessary referrals, and decongesting central hospitals. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, sir, while the construction of Blantyre and Lilongwe district hospitals remain a priority, my ministry is also exploring more cost-effective and impactful approaches, including the establishment of multiple urban community hospitals in high-density areas. And these combined efforts will significantly improve access to quality healthcare services, reduce congestion at central hospitals, and ultimately contribute to better health outcomes for our people in the major cities. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Honorable Minister of Health. Baraka Ulongwe. Baraka Ulongwe, press your mic. You have the floor.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir. The people of Baraka Ulongwe would like to thank you, Honorable Speaker, for awarding them this chance to ask a supplementary question to the Minister of Health and Sanitation. The people of Baraka Ulongwe would like to ask the Honorable Minister to construct a maternity wing at Mwima Hospital, which is centrally positioned for the constituency. We tried to squeeze in the maternity wing during our CDF plans, but we are told that it will cost us a lot of money. Maybe it will take up more than 80% of our resources. So in that view, we would like to request the minister if she can be of assistance to us and build a modern maternity wing at Mwima Health Center. Thank you.
Indeed, Ulongwe is growing fast. Mwima, we need a hospital there. I'm sure the minister is listening. Mwanza Central.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker. I just want to thank the Honorable Minister that Mwanza District Hospital has now received the X-ray machine, and I got a report today that probably in a few weeks it will be installed. So I thought I needed just to thank you, because I've been pastoring you in this house for this equipment, and the people of Mwanza Central and Mwanza District are very happy that you have responded. Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker.
Thank you, Mwanza Central. I think it's right that whenever we ask government to assist or ministers to intervene, once the interventions have taken place, we should also be able to come and report. Thank you so much, Mwanza Central, for that report. I will not take that as a question, so I still have two more. I'll start with Chukwawa West and finish with Lilongwe Machenga. Chukwawa West, you have the floor. Press your mic. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker, for recognizing the people of Chukwawa West to ask a supplementary question to the Minister of Health. Honorable Minister, we managed to construct Kanzimbi Health Post using the gested funds. The health post is ready. It has been ready, I think, for a year now, but we do not have staff at that health post. We want your urgent help so that the health post can be officially opened. The second question, Right Honorable Speaker, to the Minister of Health is about the health post which is being constructed at Phineas Village. We were informed that it is being funded by Global Fund, but the contractor, ACH contractors, they are not there at the site. They are complaining that the road is impassable, hence they cannot do anything. So we wanted if you can assist us to reach out to the contractor, because when they were signing the contracts, they were already aware of where they were going to construct this health post. And it's really sad that now they are giving a lot of excuses that no, we cannot come that side because the road is bad. So we really need your help on that one as well, so that this health post can also be completed. Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker.
Thank you, Chukwawa West. We finish with Lilongwe Machenga. Is it Machenga? Yes, you have the floor, Honorable.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker, for considering the people of Lilongwe Machenga, TNJwa, to ask a supplementary question. First of all, let me notify our able minister that in the morning I had a chance to participate in the ADC meeting, where I could discuss a good number of needed projects in my constituency, but we dwelled more on the need of upgrading Chitetezo Health Center to a rural community hospital. You may remember I stood in the same parliament asking for it. And I can also remember that in the previous time, I had to put this request in a formal way. But had no any concrete response. So it's still the need that if you can be there to consider as with the rural community hospital. And for your information, Chitetezo Health Center is quite strategically for the patients. It's situated at a place where it serves the people of TA Njewa, TA Mariri, as well as TA Mwatalika. About 80,000 patients. So if you may be there to consider it, we'll be very happy. Thank you.
Thank you, Lilongwe Machenga, Honorable Minister of Health.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker, sir. And through you, let me thank the honorable member for Baraka Ulongwe, who is asking my ministry for construction of a maternity wing at the Mwima Health Center. Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to advise the honorable member to prioritize the maternity wing under the CDF. As he is aware, resources have been decentralized, and currently prioritization is in the hands of the councils. And as a member of Constituency Development Committee, I would like to urge all honorable members to prioritize these required projects under CDF. My ministry will continue to look for resources, and where resources are found, we will be able to assist. I would also like to acknowledge Mwaza Central, honorable member, for coming back into the House with feedback. Indeed, he's been pestering with the issue of X-ray. And as I've been responding in the House, that the government is in the process of constructing and the X-ray room so that Mwanza District Hospital could have a fixed X-ray. And indeed, the procurement was done, and I reported that it's going to be finalized and fixed. So I'm happy that he has gotten the great news. Mr. Speaker, I'm also thanking the honorable member for Chikwawa West, where she is asking my ministry for health workers at a health post that was finalized but not yet opened because there are no workers. And also, she's asking my ministry on the contractor that is on the ground, the CH contractors who are under Global Fund. I didn't get it properly at the end. I think they are not. Sorry, maybe she'll come again on this one. But to respond on the first request, honorable member, I'm advising the honorable member to collaborate with the district council, as currently all the recruitments are also coordinated with the DCs in the district. And through the DC's office, a formal request will come to my ministry, where I will then facilitate deployment of health workers to this health center. I would like to assure the honorable member that this is something that my ministry will do, will facilitate, and also, as she's aware, the government has given the Ministry of Health and other ministries a waiver for recruitment. So even in the absence of enough human resource, we know that we'll be able to acquire more human resource to make sure that the people of Chikwawa West have enough human resource in the hospitals. I would also like to thank the honorable member for Lilongwe Machenga, who is requesting my ministry for upgrading of a health center to a rural hospital, which is serving 3 TAs. And this includes TA Njewa, TA Mbwatalika and another TA. Indeed, Mr. Speaker, sir, upgrading of this health center is in the ministry's capital investment plan. At the moment, when the ministry identifies resources, we'll be able to upgrade the health center to a rural hospital. Meanwhile, if there are resources permitting at under CDF, this can also be prioritized, whilst my ministry is working so hard to make sure that we identify resources that could support with this work. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you so much, Minister of Health. We now go to question 144, coming from the people of Balaka Ngwangwa. Balaka Ngwangwa. It's not in the house? Okay. We move to 145, coming from Chisi South. Is Chisi South? Yes, I see you in Chisi South. You have the floor.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker, sir, for recognizing the people of Chisi South to confirm question number 145, just for clarification, the population of the health center, it's not 19,000, it's 22,000. And let me also take advantage to invite our able minister to Nchisi District Hospital to visit us and to appreciate some of the problems that our people are facing in our district. We really appreciate. We have tried to invite the Minister of Transport. We have tried to invite the Speaker. Both of them haven't showed up, but we believe in you that you will come and appreciate some of the challenges. Thank you so much.
I hope the minister will be safe. Otherwise, I'll have to accompany her there. Honorable Minister of Health and Sanitation. Press the mic. Yes, you have the floor, Minister.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. And through you, let me thank the honorable member for Nchisi South for the question, which is to ask the Minister of Health and Sanitation when the ministry will restore water pumps at Nkuzi Health Center, which serves over 19,000 people. The facility currently has no running water, posing serious challenges, particularly in the maternity wing where mothers give birth without access to clean water. Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to confirm that Nkuzi Health Center, which serves a catchment population of approximately 23,638 people, is indeed currently facing challenges with access to running water following the breakdown of its 2 boreholes. Mr. Speaker, sir, I wish to inform this august House that the facility previously had 2 functional boreholes supplying water. However, one borehole was vandalized during an attempted theft, which left stones and debris inside the borehole, making it difficult to retrieve the pump for maintenance. The second borehole became non-functional due to damaged water components of the pump and excessive siltation, which requires extensive rehabilitation. Mr. Speaker, sir, I wish to inform the Honorable Member that the District Council conducted an assessment which established that the cost of rehabilitating the affected boreholes is comparable to drilling new boreholes due to the extent of the damage. Mr. Speaker, sir, going forward, my ministry, in collaboration with the District Council, has prioritized the restoration of water supply in the 2026-2027 financial year budget. I'm therefore pleased to inform the Honorable Member that following prioritization by the Area Development Committee, a new borehole will be drilled at Nkuzi Health Center with Constituency Development Fund. Drilling works are expected to commence in the first half in the first half of 2026-2027 financial year. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Honorable Minister. Let's go to Nkhawa. You have the floor.
The Right Honorable, thank you for recognizing the people of Lilongwe
Dedza
Nkhawa.
Kasina, let me have order. Order.
Through you, Honorable Speaker, I would like to ask the able Minister of Health that we need a maternity wing at Milamba Health Post. I am very much aware of your responses that through CDF we can develop and construct the maternity. However, due to the available resources, we made our submissions. Only 2 projects have been accepted. And I would really want to ask your office that if there will be any other resources available that can help to construct the maternity wing at Milamba, that would be much appreciated. Secondly, I would like to ask your good office if you have any plans to construct a community rural hospital in Lilongwe East, considering that we have 3 constituencies, Lilongwe Nkhawa, Lilongwe Nyanja, and Lilongwe East. Referral cases are made to Kamu Central Hospital or to the Mission Hospital, which is Nkhawa. Remember, Nkhawa Hospital, it's a mission and a private, whereby people from the villages are unable to pay bills. So I would like your able ministry to consider constructing 1 community rural hospital in Lilongwe East if you have any other resources available. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you, Lilongwe Nkhawa. We go to Chitetezo South. You have the floor.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker, sir, for yielding the floor to the people of Chitetezo South to rise on a supplementary question to the Minister responsible for health and sanitation. Mr. Speaker, sir, before I go into substantive questioning, permit me to thank the Minister of Health and Sanitation for bringing our ambulance back at Halile Rural Hospital. For a period of 2 years, we didn't have an ambulance at the Halile Community Hospital, but just 2 weeks ago, we received our ambulance back. And the people of Chitetezo South are really thankful. That said, Mr. Speaker, sir, the supplementary question to our able minister is about the theater. In as much as we appreciate that we have an ambulance back, but this ambulance is so busy because of several referrals that we have from Halile Community Hospital. We have the theater equipment already procured. So what remains is basically the installation of the theater equipment. We believe that if this equipment is installed at Ntarire Community Health Hospital, we will reduce the number of referrals to Chitetezo District Hospital. So what we're asking from our able minister is the installation of the equipment, which is already at the Boma at Chitetezo District Hospital, and indeed sending of the personnel to operate the theater at Ntarire Community Hospital. I submit, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you, Chitetezo South. We go to Kota. Yes, Honorable Skef. I can't finish the name of the constituency. Kota Mkula. You have the floor.
Thank you so much, Right Honorable Speaker, for allowing the people of Nkota Mkula constituency to ask a supplementary question to the Minister of Health. Right Honorable Speaker, in our constituency we have 3 government health centers and 2 charm health centers, very powerful ones. And we are yet to construct 2 from the CDF. Now, my question is, one of the 2 hospitals, 2 health centers that we are yet to construct is at Mkaika, which happens to be the center of everything in our constituency, a very strategic place. Now, looking at the number of health centers that we have, and also looking at the distance from our constituency to the district hospital, is it not possible that instead of building a healthy center at Mkaiga, we go straight into building a community hospital so that people from Chikango, because for example, people from the area of Senior Chief Mwazama, especially in Tosa area, they prefer going to Salima Hospital, looking at the distance, because Salima is geographically closer than Nkota District Hospital. So the question is it possible that we go straight into building a community hospital so that all these health centers will be referring the patients? Because we also have a problem, because like right now, because of the stalling of the M5 road project, some people are failing to carry the patients from, for example, Ntosa Health Center, because in the constituency, we don't have any running government ambulance, like right now. So as a way of overcoming the problem that is permanent, because the distance will never change, the distance is there, it will be there forever. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nkota Mkula. Minister of Health.
Mr. Speaker, sir, let me thank the honorable member for Lilongwe Nkoma, who is requesting for a maternity at Mamba or Jamba in her constituency, and also consideration of a rural hospital in Lilongwe East. Mr. Speaker, sir, that consideration of a rural hospital in Lilongwe East is already in the ministry's integrated plan that we have in capital investment plan. And once resources have been found or identified, we will be able to construct the community hospital. For the maternity, I will ask the honorable member that whilst the ministry is looking for resources for the maternity, if it can be prioritized under CDF maybe through that way, the people of Lilongwe Nkoma can be saved faster. I would also like to thank the honorable member for Chitipa South, who is requesting my ministry to assist in the installation of dental equipment which is currently available but not installed. Mr. Speaker, sir, this is noted. My ministry will ensure that the dental equipment is installed as soon as possible. I would also like to thank the honorable member from Kotakota Mkula, who is requesting my ministry to construct Kaipa Community Hospital instead of a health center. Mr. Speaker, sir, through you, let me advise the honorable member for Nkota Nkula to say, much as it is possible to go straight into the construction of community hospitals, but there are several factors that are put into consideration in the construction of a community hospital. As I highlighted last time, firstly is to look at the number of health centers that would form as anchor health centers from this Kaipa Community Hospital. Once that is identified and distances have been identified, we also look at the issue of space availability. As I advised last time, a community hospital requires a lot of space, where over 30, even 40, sometimes staff houses can be built. It's a place where hospital wards can be constructed, where theaters, where mortuary and other requirements can be constructed. So this will also have to be assessed before Kaipa can be a community hospital. Whilst this looks to be a big project, sometimes it can take a lot of money. My ministry currently will be looking for resources, and in the absence of these resources, would be asking the honorable member if this can be prioritized under CDF, which we know that it's a lot of resources that can be used into construction of the community hospital. Whilst if we start with a health center, it means we can already use the health center. The people of Kotakota Nkula can utilize the services at health center whilst we are working on the resources to make sure that it is upgraded to a community hospital. I thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you very much, Minister of Health. Leader, you may guide. We are done with point of order. The East.
Right, Honorable Speaker, is it in order that the people of Doha East should not commend the hardworking minister for the wonderful job she's doing in the country? And having commended her for a great job she's doing, I wanted to know through you if she would be able to come and open the already upgraded health center at Nalunga, Doha East, where she has done a good job. We have now a hospital that can admit over 30 patients. What we need is personnel and her presence to officially open the health center at Nalunga in Doha. I would like to commend her and wish to know when she will be able to visit Nalunga so that the people of Doha East can benefit. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Indeed, a very hard-working minister. She has already been invited to Nchisi, so she will try and squeeze in, I'm sure. She's a hard worker, as you said. Minister, you don't have to comment, but take note. They would like you to officially open And considering the good job you have done, please do that for them. Yes, now, leader, your guidance.
Right, Honorable Speaker, we now move to questions under Minister of Agriculture, Irrigation and Water Development. I beg to move.
Thank you, leader. Honourable members, we now move to questions under the Ministry of Agriculture, Irrigation and Water Development, starting with question 168, coming from Kasungu Municipality. 168, Kasungu Municipality. Yes, Honourable, you have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for recognizing people of Kasungu Municipal Constituency. I rise to confirm that question 168 is indeed coming from the people of Kasungu Municipal Constituency. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you, Kasungu Municipality. Honorable Minister of Agriculture. You have.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, sir. I would like to thank the honorable member for Kasungu Municipality for his question, where he's asking the Ministry of Agriculture, Irrigation and Water Development to explain the measures being taken to address persistent water supply challenges in the municipality of Kasungu, including interventions by the Central Region Water Board. Mr. Speaker, sir, let me thank the honorable member for this very important question. Mr. Speaker, sir, let me assure the honorable member that my ministry is very much aware of the water supply challenges being experienced at the municipality of Kasungu due to limited water supply sources and ever-increasing population. Mr. Speaker, sir, the assessment that my ministry through the Central Region Water Board carried out indicates that this is indeed a very serious problem, and we have come up with two options. The short-term option, which is within 1 year, we will upgrade existing infrastructure, including pumps, treatment plant and pipes, and add some water storage tanks, requiring an investment of about 8 billion kwacha. Currently, the board is working to partner with Scottish Water UK to support in some of the interventions. And now we are only waiting for a memorandum of understanding to be signed. Works include drilling of high-yielding boreholes in Chiwengo and Nawambe, which are expected to be ready by 30th of June 2026, costing about 300 million Malawi kwacha to be funded internally. My ministry will also construct a solar power plant at a cost of 1.5 billion to augment the energy grid. Mr. Speaker, sir, in the medium term, which is 2 to 3 years, my ministry will construct a pipeline from Korongo multipurpose dam to Kasungu and a storage tank at a cost of 30 billion Malawi kwacha. Korongo project will produce 40 million liters per day, and only 20 million liters will be required in the first 5 years to supply Mponela and Madisi as well. The surplus will therefore be used to supply Kasungu Municipality and other trading centers like Bua, Chinkoma, Lisasadzi, and Chilanga along the way. In the long term, Mr. Speaker, sir, my ministry will construct a multipurpose dam on Duangwa River close to Kasungu town. Feasibility studies are already available, and the project is valued at $180 million. Currently, the ministry is working on identifying a potential financier for the project. Mr. Speaker, sir, in conclusion, the water supply challenges being experienced in Kasungu are a result of system constraints and can only be resolved by investment in new water sources. Upgrading the existing systems alone, therefore, will not yield the best results due to inadequate raw water source currently available. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you. Chikwawa Central, Central West. Yes, you have the floor.
Thank you so much, Right Honorable Speaker. And through you, I would like to ask the Honorable Minister of Agriculture, Water and Sanitation a question regarding the Njalo Water Supply Project. As I earlier stood in this House, the previous meeting, requesting the same ministry to look into it, that the water situation at Njalo is now very pathetic, because the Southern Region Water Board is pumping this water from a graveyard. That's where the pumps are. And now it looks like the graveyard is full. So Ilovo Sugar Company, with the hand of government, they provided us with water from the Shire River, and the water is on the site right now. But what remains is for the government to finish constructing the water treatment tank. And this project started in 2022. Up to date, there is no progress. But Njalo is a growing trading center. A lot of people, a lot of dignitaries, but water is a problem, very big problem. So I wanted to know from the Honorable Minister if there are measures taken to address this problem. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Chikwawa Central West. We go to Mangochi West.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker, for according this opportunity to the people of Mangochi West to ask a supplementary question to the Minister of Agriculture, Irrigation, Water and Sanitation. And through you, Right Honorable Speaker, the people of Mangochi West were promised that water from Nkhudzibe will be extended to centers like Sawia, Malembo, Mangombo, Chantulo, as well as Nankumba headquarters. But up to date, nothing is taking place. Therefore, the people of Mangochi West would like to know from the Honorable Minister as to when they will enjoy this promise. Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker, sir.
Thank you. Let's have Dedza Kasina.
Thank you so much, Right Honorable Speaker, for recognizing people of Dedza Kasina to ask a supplementary questions to the Minister of Agriculture. I wanted to ask the Minister of Agriculture. Your ministry started water recreation project, and the Dedza Kasina was one of the constituencies which was benefiting. They already did the feasibility studies. A contractor was dispatched, had already drilled a borehole at GVH, Mvura, and surrounding areas to do the water recreations, but the contractor had left the site and is nowhere to be seen. So people around GVH Mvura, GVH Chisangwi, and the GVH Ndende are asking and waiting as to when the contractor is going to come back on the site and finish the issues of water recreation. I submit, Right Honorable Speaker.
Thank you. Minister of Agriculture.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, sir. I would like to thank the honorable member for Chikwawa Central West for the question on the issue of lack of water supply at Njalo. Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to assure the member we actually discussed this matter earlier, that my ministry is seriously looking at this problem, and the water treatment tank will be repaired within the month of June. Mr. Speaker, sir, Mangochi West is asking about the extension of water supply from Nkuzibe to Nankumba headquarters. Let me request the member to come to my office so that we can discuss this project further. Mr. Speaker, sir, Dedza Kasina is lamenting the contractor who has left a site where he was constructing water supply projects. Mr. Speaker, sir, let me again assure Dedza Kasina that I will look into this matter and make sure that it's resolved as soon as possible. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you very much, Honorable Minister. Honorable members, are we okay? Where is our Minister of Sports? Okay. All right, thank you so much. I was looking at the time, and I was also looking at the leader at the same time. We have, I don't know if we should take another question for the Minister of Agriculture. We have about 3 minutes. She must finish? She must finish all, or she can do one? One. Okay. Thank you. So you'll move the time when, extend the time when the time comes. Right now, let's go quickly to Lilongwe Central with question 169 in today's order paper. Question 169 coming from Lilongwe Central. Let me give you the Lilongwe. Yes, you have the floor.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, sir. I would like to confirm that the question appearing under my name is from the people of Lilongwe Central constituency, specifically the hardworking farmers of Senior Chief Sabango. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you, Lilongwe Central. Minister of Agriculture. You have the floor.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, sir. Let me thank the honorable member for Lilongwe Central constituency for the question. And he's asking the Ministry of Agriculture, Irrigation and Water Development to construct an ADMAC depot at Kangoma Trading Center. Mr. Speaker, sir, I wish to thank the honorable member for raising this important matter. Government, through ADMAC, recognizes the need to improve access to agricultural marketing services for communities around Kangoma Trading Center. The nearest ADMAC is a social market located in Area 23, which is approximately 11 kilometers away. This, Mr. Speaker, sir, presents challenges for farmers and consumers in the area. The request to construct an ADMAC market at Kangoma Trading Center is appreciated and will be considered once resources are available. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you, Minister of Agriculture. Salima South Lee. Oh, Leader.
Right Honorable Speaker, sir, I beg to move that time be extended in order to allow the Minister of Agriculture, Irrigation and Water Development to take the 3 supplementary questions as provided for in our standing orders. I beg to move.
Honourable members, we have a motion to extend time to allow 3 supplementary questions to be asked to the Minister of Agriculture. The extension is just for 3 supplementary questions. I will now put the question. Those of that opinion say aye. Those of the contrary view say no. The ayes have it and the motion is carried. I had recognized Salima South. I can't finish off the name of the constituency. Lintipe? Is it Lintipe? Yes. Yes, Honorable, you have the floor.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, for recognizing the people of Salima South Lintipe to ask a supplementary question. Mr. Speaker, the people of Salima South Lintipe would like to ask the Minister of Agriculture to consider constructing ADMAC depot at Katerera Trading Center and Gwirize Trading Center. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Salima South Lintipe. And that also is the last question. I don't see any other. Minister of Agriculture.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, sir. I would like to thank the honorable member from Salima South for the important question where he's asking if the ministry can construct an ADMAC depot at Maperera, and I didn't get the name of the second trading center.
It's Katerera Trading Center and Gwirize Trading Center. Thank you.
Katerera and Gwirize.
Gwirize.
Gwirize, okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, sir. He's asking the ministry to construct ADMAC depots at Kaperera and Gwirize trading centers. Mr. Speaker, sir, this is well noted and we'll see what can be done. But I want to assure him, if it's necessary, the ministry will do it after an assessment. But I would also want to encourage the honorable member to incorporate such projects in the CTF. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you, Honorable Minister of Agriculture. I see a point of order. Mzimba West.
Honorable Speaker, thank you very much for according the people of Mzimba West to raise a point of order. Right, Honorable Speaker, the people of Mzimba West have noted that they placed successfully a question understanding order 14, and it has not appeared again in the last 2 days, regardless that it has not been tackled. This is an issue to do with the human-wildlife conflict that has, or is rather, still very disturbing to the people of Mzimba West, even as I speak. Honorable Speaker, I thought I raised this as a point of order for your consideration. I thank you.
Honorable, you said you had raised the question understanding order 14?
Yes, Honorable Speaker.
And which ministry is it directed to?
The ministry responsible for tourism, so it's the industrialization, business, and tourism ministry.
Okay.
Thank you.
The minister is here, and we will also follow it up with the table clerks to see how she can come in to respond. I'm sure the leader has also taken note. Honourable members, it is now 17:04. Unless the Minister of Information has something to say, I'm going to adjourn the House to tomorrow 9:30 in the morning. House adjourned.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.